Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani and I'm back with another video, y'all. I decided to go ahead and we're gonna try to do some locks. Yeah, some Fux. Is it Fux Locs or I always fuck that up. Fake locks, y'all, pretty much. Ow. So I went to one of my nearest beauty supplies. Got me this Ultra Expression locks. These are 12 inches, y'all. These are crochet. And then I got the Bobby Boss kinky hair. Well, Jamaica braid. But this pretty much this kinky hair, y'all. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go for the quick lock method. Where I'm going to just rubber band my hair at the scalp and crochet it and then wrap the hair around the top and boom, real quick, not to have to do all that work. So let's see how it goes, y'all. Hopefully it stays because my hair is short, so I'm gonna let y'all see. Just hold on.
So I decided to go ahead and part my hair in 4 quadrants just to control how many I had. After that, I sub-parted about 2 inches wide. Now I'm going to take my fave, my Vontae Edge Control, and just get that on there real good. Get her nice and sleek-like. Okay, now I'm going to take this rubber band and rubber band my hair at the base. Just don't do it too tight. Look at it, nice and crispy. Alright, now it's looking all parted and crispy, y'all.
Alright, y'all, so I had to do a couple of practice run before I recorded because I need to know what the fuck I was doing. And they're okay so far. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. They kind of stiff right now, but once I get in the shower and I put a warm towel on them, they'll relax a lot. So we'll see. The texture is a little bit different. It's a little bit fluffier here than it is here, but you know, when you get like a retwist or like a tightening, the hair is usually thinner where the hair's been recently retwisted than it is on the end. So this ain't far-fetched, but it's gonna be cute once it's finished. Okay, so these crochets are really tight, y'all, so I had to really open it up to get it through my hair nicely.
Okay, so I'm going to take this crochet hook and I'm going to stick it right up under the base of that rubber band. Now I'm going to put that hair on the latch and pull it right on through.
My hair's gonna be sore tomorrow.
Now using my index and my thumb, I'm going to loop that extension hair and the little ponytail right through.
And pull it as tight as possible, but where it's still kind of comfortable, you know, it ain't like too tight. Okay, now you see that little piece right there? I'm just gonna try to stuff that in the middle. Now I cut that hair in half.
Alright, so now using that cut in of that kinky hair, I'm going to start to wrap over where my hair and the crochet extension meet and just really try to cover up where my hair is located. Overlapping each layer by maybe 1/8 of an inch. This will keep the lock from gapping too fast. Now I'm going to use this Salon Pro hair bonding glue in clear and just put a little bit on the tip as I near the end. Then continue to wrap up until you have reached the end. I decided to give these little extra hairs a trim. Here we go, and repeat. So at this point, I'm about a quarter of the way done, y'all, and I like it. It's getting kind of big. And here we are. I'm all finished. Let me give you a little spin so you see the back. Yes, I am loving it. Now I'm going to use a Secret Essential Stimulating Oil on my scalp. Oh my god, y'all. It feels so good on this freshly parted scalp. Do you hear me? I promise you this will be the best part, y'all. Get that nice and oiled, y'all. Gonna help get that hair growing so it's not so tight. And it smells so good, y'all. But yeah, we are all finished. I am loving it. What are your guys' thoughts, y'all? Are you loving it? It's a yay, it's a nay. Let me know how you feel in the comments below. I appreciate you guys as always for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. See you next time. Mwah.